Hello everyone and welcome to another drawing video from me, and today I will draw an emu. A really it will be really interesting drawing today. I've never drawn it before, so I think it's emu or emu because in my native language we have different word for it. But I hope you'll like the video, and I will draw the outline with you as always. Then I will speed up a little bit so that the drawing video will not be 3 hours. So the outline is the most important thing in every drawing, so that's what I will show you in about 6-7 minutes. So let's get into it. The first thing I will draw are the eyes. So let's draw one circle here. Then let's draw the highlight. So just like basic things in every drawing video that I do, just simply so. And then let's draw all around the eye and a circle, and there it is. The first eye is done. So we can break down the eye in 3 parts. It's the first part is the pupil, the highlight, and then the rest of the eyeball. So it will be great to draw the second eye also already right now. So again, so let's draw the pupil. I don't know, maybe I will leave this without a highlight, or let's make a small highlight here on the other side. So basically that's the thing. Here's the highlight is on this side, here the highlight is on the other side, and then again the circle comes here, and let's close the circle. So there it is. 2 eyes are done. The outline for these 2 eyes are done. So here is gonna be darker a little bit. So, and the next thing is for this animal, the nose is really interesting. So now I think I will draw the shape of the head. Here is also going to be a little bit darker here. So this is going to be really interesting drawing. This is a drawing that I think everyone can draw because the fur is really messy, and this is a really good animal if you want to learn drawing, if you want to just practice, you know. So it's hard to draw a cat, but I think it would be easier for people who are learning to draw this guy rather than for example draw a cat or a tiger, because we all know how a cat looks like. So you know, you can never go wrong with this. People are just gonna think, even if you make mistakes, they're just gonna think, oh, maybe that's the way it should look. So okay, so I started a little bit of the nose, but I finished the head part, I think. So here the fur, this guy, he has these really big cheeks. So now here goes the head. The fur goes all over right to the other side. So here will be really long strokes, and goes right to the other eye. Here the fur continues. Here it's a little bit longer, and here it connects. So there it is. The outline for the head is basically done. So the first starts, the nose is really the biggest part, I think. This guy has really a huge nose, so the first starts around here. Here the nose still continues, and I guess I will leave it here. So now let's finish the nose. So here will be really dark spots for this guy. So let's make right in the middle, let's make like half a circle, and then let's go down this side, and I will stop right there. So now I think I will finish the nose. So here it comes here, and the line goes straight down. Here's the same, then it goes here. So I think you really have to connect the lines here, and here it goes down, here it goes almost down, here we need so it's really tricky, but I think you get the point. So the line is not straight, so that's the thing, it's not straight. So basically here you can do this. In the second part of drawing, you guys I think will see what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna start to color it. So now we have to have one line right underneath this line that we did, so because the fur is gonna start there, because it has a really huge mouth, so it's already looking kind of hilarious. So the nose is really huge here. Now we just have to draw the lower part of it, and it will be great. So we need to have another line straight down from one side to another. So this is going to be the neckline where the mouth really ends here, and let's do it right there. So basically here it is. Here the mouth ends, here the fur goes, here starts the dark part, somewhere around here. So let's draw the cheeks. The cheeks, as I said, were really puffy and huge. Same on the other side. It goes straight down here, and the neck is really thin. It's really small, so it goes here, and then it kind of goes straight down. So there it is. And here it's going to be really dark first, so we can make some guidelines for that. Here it's going to be really dark. I think I ran out of 4B pencils, so this is 2B pencil. I think it's going to be too light for this. I'm also drawing on watercolor paper, so I can't really push that hard. I think I will use some kind of dark pencil for this. So there it is. The outline's done. It took me 8 minutes. Now I'm going to speed it up a little bit. I think I will zoom in so that you guys can see. You can also, as always, change the speed in settings. And let's see you guys in the end with some final words. back, and welcome to quite the end, because I have only maybe a minute, 2 minutes left to this drawing. It came out to be really hilarious, and yeah, actually it's better than I expected it to be. I was thinking of it to be really hilarious drawing, and it came out. It was really easy for me to draw it. I'm drawing it with a black pencil from my color set. This I don't even know what brand this is, but it's really simple. It's hard to sharpen it, so I was trying not to break it while drawing, because I don't think that I will be able to sharpen it like really good, because the material is not really good quality. But even despite that, I could pull this drawing off, and yeah, so I hope you could see everything. It took me maybe half an hour, hour and a half, I mean. So yeah, and it's really easy. The drawing was really easy. I don't know if you saw in the video everything how I was intended, but yeah. So basically, this is a great drawing for you to practice, and yeah, let me know in the comments how you like the video, and what I should draw next, and subscribe to my channel and give me any feedback you want, and also follow me on other social media. So yeah, I think I'm gonna finish this drawing, and I will not brush it, I will not use any shading whatsoever. I'm just gonna leave this as it is. I hope you guys liked the video, I hope you liked the sketch, I hope you will try to do the same. This is a great drawing for practice, and see you guys in my next videos.